Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, April 2nd. So looking at the markets today, we had a really good morning. The market really had sold off because of kind of a reflection on the president stating that, the activities in the Middle East may take a couple of more weeks or several more weeks. The market was disappointed last night in the overnight session, and we gapped down significantly. The initial reaction was down. We actually caught the reversal off the low, and we traded it all the way up to roughly half of a gap fill. That was roughly 64.80 all the way to 65.40. So that was a 60-point move, and it continued to push higher into a complete gap fill, 65.75. So this was nearly a 100-point move that we took. And 100 points with one SPX at the money contract that expires today is over $5,000 per contract. And again, a significant move to the upside. The market really hasn't done much since then, but all the fireworks were in the morning. This is the type of trade that we take. This is a morning breakout. It's also known as a good morning cash plan trade. And definitely, this is the type of good morning we really enjoy. And looking forward to trading more of those type of trades in the future. Thanks.